Here we go, guys. It's a little bit stony. There we go. We're going to try out the Ace Pro action camera in Oludeniz beach. Quite a lot of stones here. But look at the colour of the water. Oh, it's beautiful. Ouch. Ah, here we go. Oh. All the little boats are out there. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. All the parachutes, gliders are up there. The sky is absolutely dotted with them, as you can see. Absolutely paradise here, really. It's a little bit on the stony side, but we're going to go over there tomorrow, the Blue Lagoon, and have a swim over there. It's £1 to go in, but I don't know how much the chairs were. I mean the sun loungers. Ours come with 2 chairs and an umbrella. Was 600 Turkish money, lira. Big wave. Well, these are big waves. Holy moly! I mean, it drops quite a bit as soon as you come in the water over there. It drops quite fast to depth, so that's absolutely gorgeous, beautiful. There's Emily over there. She's reading her book. They're supposed to go underwater, but ooh, we went under. And she's still working. Yep, she's still recording. There's lovely, beautiful, big mountains. Trying to stay still, but the waves are quite big. I'm trying to get to, yeah, 2 times soon, much better.